Before we dive into another part, friends, I want to show you something, because it's just tutorials about the MT form. See here, like we got 0.1 that I mean a lot. If you want to put it 0.1, you just write it 0.01 like that, or you put it like that from here, like that. You saw it from that column here till 0.01. If you want, just write it. So if you want to sell that one, let's say no, we want to sell because that one is just a demo account. Here I want to tell you to accept it. You said okay. Now you sell. You see here we sell. Strategy of us, we said we always put in the stop in the next candle, like that one here. You see it? That the stop and here to here is 10. That meant 10 per 3 is 30. So you just came here, because here in the other corner show you need till 30. Think everything, you're losing $1, you need to make $3. You see here, think everything is very easy. And for buy the same story, I just show you how to make the stop, how to make the target. I think everything is easy now. Close it, you just do like that. We close it. I think that part we passed it. Now let's dive into here to continue the explication of the strategy. Sorry about that. The strategy may I teach you, and here things that the most important part, that not it's me who write it or someone, that very common in the world of trading. In the risk reward 1-to-1 must have 50% winning trade to make money, to be profitable trader. In risk reward 1-to-2 must have 33% winning trade to make money. In risk reward 1-to-3, that our case, must have 25% winning trade to make money. May I give you 39%. My strategy, I work by it, develop it, spend ages working by it, and it's very profitable if you know how to trade by it. Because trading, all of it is about discipline. I think that part is very easy. So let's dive into other part, and I'll see you in the other side.